Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Overnight Action Report here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's take a look at all the action that happened over in Asia, because that's going to flow into Europe and then here in the U.S. market. So taking a look at the Japanese Nikkei, slipped 0.4% overnight, and basically has returned to last week's lows. We saw that there was some yen weakness, and really the names that we saw some weakness in were Japan Steelworks, Sony Financial Holdings, as well as Toyota Motors, J-Front Retailing, Yamaha, Suzuki Motor, Japan Tobacco, as well as Fast Retailing. The biggest laggards and losers in the Japanese markets, down between 1.5% and 5.2%. EWJ is trading at $50.97. We're seeing a 57-cent range for the next 3 days for the remainder of this week, which is basically a little bit more than about 1.3% estimated move being priced in, or range either up or down. Watch that $50 mark on EWJ. A break there, that would put the bulls on notice. Taking a look at China and the Shanghai Composite, slipped 0.1%. We saw names like Wanhao Chemical Group, Shenzhen Geowei, as well as Sinochem International and Phoenix Optical, all losing between 2.2% and 2.5%. FXI is the large cap ETF that tracks Chinese stocks in the Shanghai Composite, trading at $36.79. We're looking at a 57-cent range in this $36 stock for the remainder of this week. That's about a little more than 1.5% move being priced in for the remainder of this week in FXI. Now, taking a look at Hong Kong's Hang Seng, shed about 0.1%, similar to the Shanghai Composite. Gaming and casino names, though, struggled with Tencent Holdings, as well as Sands China, Galaxy Entertainment falling between 1.6% and 2%. Now, Bank of China Hong Kong, as well as Bank of East Asia, HSBC, all losing between 0.2% and 0.8%. Property names, though, did hold up well. New World Development, Henderson Land, as well as Ching Chong Properties Holdings held between 0.6% and 1% gain, which was holding up the market. EWH is trading at 2098, this ETF that tracks Hong Kong stocks. We're looking at a 10-day range of 43 cents. That's basically about 2% either up or down in the next 10 days. Excuse me. And then finally, taking a look at India's Sensex, settled lower by about 0.4%. It had most of the market down in the overnight session. Tata Motors, one of the largest cap stocks on the Sensex, fell more than 3.5%. That put pressure on the market. But financials like Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, as well as HDFC all lost between 0.5% and 0.9%. Infosys, though, did outperform, climbing 1.1%. EPI is trading at $22.02. We have a 3-day range of right around 30 cents, either up or down. We'll see if that 1.5% range might expand, especially seeing the weakness in Tata Motors. All right, folks, that's it for the overnight action report in Asia. Join me at 8:45. We're going to check out everything in Europe here at MarketStream.live. See you then.